Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and confirming permissions. Use the same Microsoft account in OneDrive and Power BI. Once signed in, navigate to the OneDrive folder you prepared and verify files are formatted as tables or Excel sheets. Make sure table headers are clean and use consistent naming so Power BI can infer types. Now, in Power BI Desktop, choose Get Data. In Power BI Service, choose Get Data from Files and select OneDrive. This starts the import process immediately. Once connected, you'll see the file list. Select the target file and choose Transform Data to open Power Query Editor. In Power Query, promote headers, set correct data types, trim whitespace, and split or merge columns as needed so your model is robust. You should preview relationships and remove unnecessary rows or columns. This reduces refresh time. Make sure to name queries clearly, and once done, apply changes so Power BI builds the data model and readies it for visuals and scheduled refresh. You now publish your report to Power BI Service and configure dataset settings for refresh. Choose OneDrive Sync for automatic updates or schedule refresh intervals. Make sure credentials are set using OAuth for OneDrive and configure a gateway only when combining on-premises data. If a refresh fails, check the file path, verify that the account still has access, and confirm query privacy levels match. Mismatched privacy often blocks refresh. Finally, test a manual refresh, and once done, confirm visuals reflect the latest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.